Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to introduce Sintra AI tutorial for beginners. What is Sintra AI? Sintra AI is an all-in-one platform that helps freelancers and creators automate tasks, find remote jobs, and manage clients using smart AI tools. Think of it as your personal assistant, project manager, and sales closer, all powered by AI, perfect for freelancers, social media managers, marketers, and even students. How to get started? To get started, head over to Sintra AI and sign up for a free account. Once inside, you will see a dashboard with tools like AI Job Finder, Smart Clients, CRM, automated outreach emails, content generator. Start by setting up your profile, include your niche, skills, and LinkedIn or portfolio. Sintra's AI will use this to tailor job matches and generate client outreach messages for you. How to make money with Sintra AI. Here's how people are making real money using Sintra AI in 2025. Number one, AI Job Finder. Use it to automatically find freelance gigs based on your skills. Sintra pulls from platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and hidden job boards. Two, automated outreach. Sintra generates custom email pitches. You can email 10 to 20 potential clients daily without lifting a finger. The AI adjusts tone, offer, and subject lines to increase responses. Three, client CRM. Manage responses and keep track of deals with built-in CRM. Close more projects by staying organized. Follow-ups are even AI assisted. Number four, passive income route. Some users offer AI-powered outreach as a service to others using Sintra behind the scenes. If you are into social media marketing or lead gen, this is gold. Tips to maximize results. Start with a niche like design, copywriting, or virtual assistants. Use Sintra's templates, but personalize them slightly for better conversions. Set a daily schedule to review job leads and send more than 10 AI-generated pitches. Offer a compiling deal, like a free 15-minute intro call, to close faster. And that's your cash course on Sintra AI for 2025. If you found this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.